And we are back. My installation did complete successfully. Just to test out the connectivity to the management network. Okay, and there you go. Cisco Catalyst Center is up and running. Next thing what I want to do is I want to shut it down so that I can create images for reuse instead of reinstalling each time I need a Catalyst Center instance. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in using the maglev username and then a password that I set. And I'm going to issue or run the command sudo shutdown with the H switch, and I want to shut it down now. Type in my password again. Just keep in mind the shutdown process also takes quite a bit of time. Okay, so now that the shutdown process is completed, what I want to do is I want to remote into my EVNG server. But before I do, I just need to get the node ID. You would do that by going right-clicking on your DNA Center node and click on Edit. And you're going to copy the node instance path. Next, what you want to do is to go to the path or copy the path that you have copied. And there you can see I'm just going to run the command again with the LH switch. Next, what you want to do is to, instead of using the QImage commit command, we're going to rebase it. This is basically the reverse of the commit command. Instead of creating an image in your images folder, we're going to create the image in your node instance path folder. The reason for that is simple. Using the QImage commit command often fails, and this will corrupt your whole install of DNA Center. This way is just a bit more stable So first of all, I'm going to start off with my serial ATA disk. And you use that with the rebase command with the B switch. And of course I'm going to use the B switch as well, just to show the progress. Just to issue the list command again. Now you do see that your disk image increased in size. So at the end of the day, what is going to happen is we're going to copy this or download this image file, and you have the choice. You can either replace it in the current folder, in your unit lab folder, or you can copy this to a different folder, or you can, if you require a fresh install of DNA Center again, what I'm going to do now is just to do the same for the second disk. The second disk is always the largest and will take up most of the time or more time. So I might pause the video until it has been completed. Now for the third and last disk. So all three disks have been completed. As you can see, the installation for vDNAC takes quite a lot of space. This is going to be one large image. Next thing what I want to do is to move it back into the unit lab folder that I've created. That is A, next is B, and then C. Once that has been done, now you can reuse your image. Also, just keep in mind you would need a Cisco login to install DNA applications. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to switch over to my web interface. I'm going to start my instance. Also keep in mind that the startup process also takes quite a while. So it can take anything from 20 to 30 minutes to properly start up. If you have KSM enabled and CPU limits, that might take a bit longer. So I'm just going to pause the video again until the web interface pops up. Okay, so there you have it. I'm just going to log in. Okay, I'm going to end the video right here. As you can see, it is running fine. And happy labbing.